Dude, this is so surreal.
It's weird.
It's so surreal.
It's like I've met you a million years.
I know. Oh my. Hi.
Hello.
What?
Well, you pick a number this time.
Oh. 4, I'm gonna assume. We're just so cool, people don't even want to get out of the elevator. They're like, please.
I'm so happy that I even just...
I'm so glad, like, you're here. Like, I knew you were freaking out. You're just like, yeah, great. I see buildings. And I'm like... I literally busted out and started laughing. The girls, like, looking at me. And I was like, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I was just like, what? They don't have this in the U.S.
No, of course they
It's so cute. Really? That's how you do it? Sweet. This is so cool.
This is cute.
This is cute. Oh, there's a little playground of mine so we can go on the slide.
Yeah! I would love to go right now.
I know.
Why is she so close? Oh, it's moving?
Yeah. Oh, go. Oh, forward. And go in? Yeah. Oh. Come on, Eliza. You can sit.
No,
No? Okay.
When I'm gonna do it right.
Oh, all right. Any last goodbyes?
I want to thank my mother. No. I'm gonna miss you, Yana. I don't want to go.
Me neither. But we gotta go make that money back.
Yeah, we do. It was amazing, though. Draining.
Super early in the morning and we're out. Sorry guys, we couldn't scope.